This is an Antioch Academic Technology tutorial on how to make someone else the owner of a Google Doc. In this example, a faculty member has asked their students to submit an assignment via Google Docs. And the faculty is specifically asked to be made the owner of the document. In this case, the student has written an assignment in Google Docs and it's ready to go. And when you click the share button, you can give your instructor access to view it. You don't have to notify the instructor. They don't need to get the link via email. You can simply click share, and they can be either an editor, a viewer, or a commenter. This is the first step you have to take before you can make someone an owner. The second step is to return to the share button, and you'll see now that this person's an editor, you can go back in and make them the owner. When you do that, you get a dialog box asking if you're sure. Making someone the owner of the document means that you can no longer change the sharing settings or delete the document. So make sure that you're sharing it with a trusted person or you're ready to give up control over this document. When you click yes, you will still remain an editor on the document. You just won't be the owner any longer. So you'll see my faculty member has become the owner. I am now an editor. And if I copy the link and click done, I can flip over to my assignment in Sakai, scroll down, paste in the link to my document. And if I want it to be really convenient, I can copy the link and make it an active link by clicking the link button and pasting in the URL again. Then hit proceed and submit. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, please email at@antioch.edu.